Good morning, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here, and it's -7 here in Timperley this morning, so bit of a nipple hardener, as I'm quite fond of saying. Anyway, some people have bacon and eggs for breakfast. I'm going to have gammon with a couple of eggs. So this has been sitting in the fridge for quite a long time, so luckily it's vacuum packed, so it won't have gone off. Gammon and egg. Juice in your eye, whatever you do. Right, okay. Maybe just one for the time being. It should be more minute. Anyway, I'll see if I can just raise you up a little while. See if I can raise you up a little bit. Right, okay. Forgive me for doing this, but apparently when you film as amateurly as I do, you have to work with what you have. So, okay. Let's see. Spatula and move the gammon around a little. Well, dry this, if I'm honest. Right, now, got some nice eggs here, hopefully. So, look at that. That's a record, dear viewers. It's dropped in without a smack. Perfect. Right, I'll just see if we've got any... Yes, we have. Mushrooms should finish the job off. Okay. Whoops. Get them nice and cool. And I think I'll fry these all just to save a bit of time. You don't want to see me messing around chopping, do you? I think we'll have 2 or 3 of these, and possibly even 4. Can't make this a 2-course breakfast, dear viewers, and have a yoghurt for dessert. I have a brew with it as well, but the trouble is my fridge has got less milk than a nun's breasts at the minute, so that's gone about. So, very tasty. cutting board, I'm afraid. This looks like it's full. And gammon does taste a lot like bacon. It's probably from the same part of the, near enough the same part of the pig, if I'm honest. Bit of a slippery customer. And there she goes. Just rub a ladle. And turn the heat right down. And here we go. This is where we add the fried egg. Or possibly more than one. It does look a touch solitary in there. Yeah, what the hell? It's quite a cold day. And this one fell in without a fracture as well, so bloody hell, I'm doing well, aren't I? Okay. In you go. Mushrooms all in. As well. Show you how we're going. Nice, eh? Looking good. Just a sec. Right, just the slightly more unpleasant bit of it. I'm used to it because I spent most of my early working life. It's okay, right. Actually, tip the arm up. Oh no, sorry. Plastic things so it doesn't melt. Watch out. Right. And I'll show you what I've been cooking up. There we go. Gammon, egg and mushroom. Okay, let's hope I enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I will see you in the next one. Hello. Bye now.